then which keyword is used to obtain inheritance. Types of inheritance we have seen. The program also have been specified in the part 1. So in the description link I am going to give this part 1 so that you can enjoy. So now I am going to sharing my screen. So this is the part 2 of inheritance. In this part 2, inheritance in Java is a part 2. Myself, you know very well about me, and in this I am going to discuss the one keyword, the super keyword, how the super keyword is used in Java, and what is a super keyword, and where we use the super keyword, and why to use a super keyword. Uh, we'll discuss in this today's class, right? Okay, and the super keyword in Java. This is the second unit. So inheritance is a topic that belongs to second unit in Java. So here we'll go to what is the super keyword. So here look at this definition. So a super keyword is a in Java. A super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer the immediate parent class object. So super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class object. So it is a reference variable. Okay, once again, super keyword is a what? Reference variable. Okay, which is used to refer the immediate parent class object. Okay, this super keyword, the super keyword in Java. See here, the super keyword in Java is used to is used in where subclass. Okay, the super keyword can be used in subclass. Why? Because to access the superclass member. To access the superclass member. Here subclass nothing but what? Child class. Superclass nothing but what? Your parent class. Remember these things. Subclass nothing but what? Child class. Superclass nothing but what? Your parent class. Okay. So if you want to know this one, you can go to the part 1. But even then I'm mentioning you here. Okay. So here superclass superclass is nothing but parent class. Parent class or base class. Okay, then subclass is nothing but child class, child class or derived class, right? So the super keyword is used in Java, is used in a subclass. Use the super keyword in subclass to access the superclass members. Okay, the superclass contains what members we can access? We can access the attributes. Attributes nothing but here what? Instance variables. And we have constructors. We can access the methods. Okay, so that was about your superclass, right? The use can actually go for the use of super keyword. So we have 3 uses of the super keyword. So here look at this first one. Super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. Super once again, super keyword can be used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. This is the first one. And second one, super can be used or super keyword can be used to refer the immediate parent class method. Immediate parent class method. Okay. Next we having what super can be used to invoke the immediate parent class constructor. Okay now. The first one is nothing but it is used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. So here parent class contains instance variable. So we can access that instance variable in the subclass. In the subclass, okay now by using the super keyword. Next, we're having what your super keyword can be used to invoke the immediate parent class method. Nothing but, so we have this. We have two classes over there. One is parent class and child class. In the parent class, we have one method, and the child class we can access the parent class method. Okay now. And the last one is it is used to invoke the immediate parent class constructor. If a parent class having constructor, by using super keyword we can access the parent class constructor. Okay, so that we'll see in programming, so that will be help you to understand them carefully. The first one we'll discuss the program. The first program is to program to demonstrate to access the data member, nothing but here data member nothing but instance variable of parent class using super keyword. Okay na. The first one is a program to demonstrate to access the data member. Data member nothing but what your instance variable of which class, parent class, using which keyword, super keyword. And second program to demonstrate to invoke the parent class method using which keyword, using super keyword. The third one, program to demonstrate to invoke the parent class constructor using the super keyword. Okay, so by using super keyword, we can access the instance variable of the parent class. We can access the method of the parent class, as well as we can access the constructor of the parent class, where in subclass. Okay, that was this about three uses of this which class. Okay, which one your super class. Then I'll go to the programming part, so that will be helpful for you. Okay, so in that also I'm going to mention the one note. The note will be very helpful for you to remember. So we have this class once. Okay, now first of all here program to demonstrate, program program to demonstrate to access the to access the program to demonstrate to access the instance variable of the parent class, right? So I'm going to do the code now. Class name is what you are allowed something here. Class name is what your vehicle, VHICL. Class name is what vehicle. Here we have one instance variable int max limit. Max speed is 120 kilometers. Is 120 kilometers. So here vehicle is a parent class. Next I am going to take one more class. I am going to take this, what your name is Maruti, RUTHA. Maruti is a subclass extends vehicle, VHICL. Here I am going to take one more variable int max speed is equal to 180, is equal to 180, is equal to 180, right? So here I'm going to display, I'm taking one method void. Why? Because to display the speed, void display. system dot out dot println speed is, right, plus max speed, right. So here vehicle is a parent class. It has which variable? Instance variable. Max speed, his value is what? 120. Again class Maruti is a subclass. Extends which one? Vehicle. In that, in this subclass also I'm having the max speed. Its value is what? 180. And I use display method. By using display method, I can display the value of max speed. We can see which what is the value we are going to get, and after that I'll tell you where to use the super keyword so that we can access the instance variable of the parent class. Class, okay, class demo 14 public static void main string args, string args. We can, so here what is the subclass name here? Maruti. So I can go for now Marutha. Maruti. M is equal to new Maruti. New Maruti. Then M dot display. See here once I am explaining you here. So vehicle is a parent class. Vehicle is a parent class. It has one instance variable. Its name is max speed of what type? Int type. Its value is what? 120 is assigned by using assignment operator. And class Maruti is a subclass or child class. Extends which class? Extends vehicle, right? Extends vehicle. So in this subclass also we have the same name, max speed is equal to what? 180. Okay. Then we have what? Display method inside the subclass is what? Maruti. Here I am going to display the maximum speed. Okay, then we'll see which speed, which maximum speed, which maximum value we are going to, which is the value we are going to get here. Okay, and this is the main method. I use public static void main. So because this is the main method, which here the program execution will start. When come to C, we are having what? Void main. In Java, we have which method? Public static void main method. For that, we have to give the some name. Class name is what? Demo 14. I create the object for which class? Subclass. Mod is a subclass, and M is an object by using new operator, and Maruti is a constructor. And with the help of M, with the help of object, I can access the method of a subclass. Okay, then I am going to save the code here. Save as demo 14 dot java. Demo 14 dot java. It has been saved successfully. Then I am going to the same command prompt. Then look at this here very carefully. In the command prompt, cd is a folder. This is my folder. I want to execute the code. I can use what? I have to compile the code. JAVAC Java C DEMO demo 14 dot Java. Demo 14 dot Java. So we have it your parent class, parent class, parent class. Okay. The problem is with the comments. So this is the problem we got. So no problem. Hey, Judra. Hello. So this is the problem with the parent class. So I'm going to compile the source code. Oh, I had not saved the code. That reason is getting some problem. Save CLS. So JAVS Java C DEMO demo 14 dot Java. So we got what extends vehicle VEHI. Sorry, the name is differ here. VEHI CLE. Sorry, VEHI CLE. Sorry, the problem you have been written. Java C is a compiler to compile the source code. Name is what? Demo food is a main method. Okay. So it was compiled successfully. I want to run and execute the code. If you want to run and execute the code, then we can see this one. How JAVA DEMO demo 14 demo 14. So we'll get what speed is what 180. See here we got the speed is what your 180 only. So here which value we got here? See here I can use this one. I can make it to understand here. So we have which one? Maximum speed is what 120. Again we have maximum speed is what 180. We get only this value, but we didn't access. We cannot get the value of 120. Okay. So if you want to get the value of 120 also, then what we have to do here? I'll write the code here. In this, you can write. You can say this one. Control C, Control V, and you can say this one as remove this one. Maximum speed, nothing but SUPR super dot max speed. Okay, better I remove this one. You can get this one. Okay, here this is the speed we are going to get 180. If I use super dot max speed, I'm going to get the values what 120. Okay, that we'll see this one. Save. Again, I'm going to compile the source code. Okay, you should not put in quotation. Okay, I'm going to compile the code. CLS JAVAC to compile the source code DEMO demo 14.java. The code was compiled successfully. Then we can run the code by using what? JAVA DEMO demo 14. So we can see this what speed is what 180 and we have speed is what 120. So which is the 120? 120 is the value belongs to which one? Parent class instance variable. This is the parent class instance variable. So with the help of super keyword can be used to access the immediate parent class instance variable. Okay, and we can see this one also. Okay, maximum speed. We'll see just what is going to happen. So you got, so maximum is about how much 120, right? This is the way how the by using super keyword we can access the instance variable of the parent class. Here remember this one point. So here you must remember the one point. So that point I will discuss. Okay, okay, the last, okay na. So in this point what we discuss nothing but, okay na, why we can when to use super keyword. Okay na, when to use super keyword. See here, if the name of the instance variable, if the name of the instance variable in subclass in child class is same as in parent class, right? See here, in the above example I'll make to understand here. So we're having what max speed is what 120. So name is what max speed. It's in the parent class. Again the child class also having what max speed is the max speed, but the values initialization what differ. So in such a case, if the names are common, see here, when is the super keyword? If the name of the instance variable in the child class is same as in the parent class, then in such case we use super keyword. Okay, this super keyword can be used in subclass. Okay, and this super keyword must be used in the subclass to access the instance variable of the superclass. Okay, clear? Or the super keyword can be used in the child class. Okay, now to access the instance variable of the parent class. Okay, this is the way how this superclass is used to access the instance variable. Then I'll go to one more program. So next one is what one more program. Here is one program to demonstrate